So, today is a super exciting day, okay? Why, you may ask? We're getting a puppy!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone.
We're getting a puppy. We're getting him. We're leaving at any time now. He's a little black working cocker. And I think we're going to call him Chase. I love the name Chase. Like, it was one of my baby names. And I was like, oh, I'm sure I can give it to this dog. And my mum, we were like, yeah, pretty set on it. And now she seems to have second thoughts. But I love the name Chase. So I'm just going to show you him. And maybe just do like a few days with puppies, to be honest. Because obviously, puppies aren't easy because you have to house train them. Get them to sleep by themselves. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring you along because, like, oh, it's just so exciting. He's so little. He's so little, and he's so fat. He was the fattest in the litter, so of course we're like, he's definitely a McClung. So yeah, it's exciting. The babies, Layla, crazy girl, blissfully unaware, isn't he, of how much that's gonna be sad. Yeah. So we got the baby boy. I'm gonna show you him. I just left him and then I forgot I didn't update the vlog. Oh, I keep waking him up. Sorry, Chasey. Sorry, Chasey boy. Sorry. Oh, it's so hard being a little puppy. It's so hard being a little puppy, isn't it? Look at him. Look at his whole balls. He's got his water, he's got a bowl, and we did put him some food in, like, this on the crate. He's just chilling. He just keeps going to sleep. So look at his little fat belly. He's too cute. So yeah, baby Chase is in the car and he jawed.
Yeah.
So the little girl who was like the mum's daughter, like Chase, well, she called him Charlie, was her favourite. And like when she was leaving, she just kept like picking him up and like hugging him, and it was like, oh, I felt really guilty taking him. And because they called him Charlie, they kept forgetting that it was Chase. They're like, Charlie, Chasey. Lol. But he's so cute, and he's just like asleep in the back of the car. He hasn't made a noise, and like she was quite like took him in the car a lot and like just let them be puppies kind of thing. So he's quite laid back. He's got a fat little belly, and we're just stopping to get a Costa, you know me. But yeah, so excited.
Yeah.
When I get home I might film you the dogs meeting them. I don't know what my dog Busy's gonna be like, because Chase is basically a mini Busy, but Busy does not like puppies. He has no time for puppies. And I said to Mum, like, who do you think the pack leader is? Because it used to be our collie Suki, but we think it might be either Busy or Lola now, because Busy doesn't take a lot of messing, but then Lola will like go up and take his bone and he'll let him. He's a little whip. And I'm like, Busy, tell her, but he doesn't. And I just don't know what he's going to think. I think Lola's going to really love him because Lola just wants to play with everyone, and he just wants to play when obviously he's awake. And I'm surprised he's asleep, because when we've had puppy cockers, they just don't sleep. But then I guess he's in the car and he's used to sleeping. Hello. Who's in there? You look? Oh. Who is it? Whoa, who was that? Flynn? Be nice. Oh, Busy, you're not interested. Oh, she's cowering at a little puppy. As if. Oh, Bean! As if. Oh, bit. Oh, she's saying no. Oh, you look so scared. Good boy, Flynn. Chasey boy, what's all these people? He's a bit scared, but he's also a bit happy. Lola's trying to play. You got it. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah. Oh. Little wedgie boy, what you got? Oh my god, hello.
Look at that.
Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, hello.
So sweet, isn't he?
Oh, Reggie's like, who's that?
He's got sharp nails.
He's having a little nap.
Amanda
I've got my big boy Biz right by me. He's not very happy. Ooh, he's really not. Oh, I've changed the channel now, Biz. And I was watching Yorkshire Farm. Definitely not watching the football. You think he's coming out? He's only a 20-minute nap. You think he's coming out? You think he's coming out? Look at little tail.
Half an hour remains to find Reuben, Violet, and Edith.
I don't think many people would go and hide in this hole.
So this is our first morning with Chase. What a little rat. He's actually a little rat, but he's actually kind of a little shadow. Let me see if I walk if he comes. They're busy boy. Oh, he's not interested. Oh, he is. He wants to come. But he doesn't know how to, does he, friends? What? Chicken? His little bum in it, Buzz. And then Buzzy comes in. Chase? Excuse me. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You little rat. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. This dog does not care. If you scream if he bites you, he doesn't care. He's bloody mad, this dog. He's bloody mad. Oh, he's such a rat. Excuse me. No, he's just woken up. So he's gone out for a wee. Went out for a wee straight away, bless him. And now he's wired. Let's see if I run. Chase. Oh, look how big he is. Oh, do you not like that bit? Little cheese. Oh. We've got to go to Tinkles, mate. Both me and Chase don't want to go outside, do Chase? No, look, he's trying to get in the coop. But he's just oh. He'll bite my face in a minute. Oh yeah, demon dog, demon dog, demon dog, demon dog. But he's just woken up. What are you doing? Chase. Listen, bro, I'll put you down. But you have to go out. Dog run fit. Right, let's try and get him. You know why I'm adding this bit to the vlog? Chase. Come on then, let's go, Tinkles. He's a very disobedient dog. If he doesn't want to do something, he will not be doing it. Come on, Chasey boy. He likes a little finger moving thing. Chasey! Oh, come on, come on. He'd be like, no. Chase, I'm getting wet, mate. For you to be disobedient. Come on. We did it, boys. I can't even see this hood so big. It's my mum's coat. Yeah, Chase, we're not vibing, are we? We are not vibing right now. We're not in our... It's legit thundering after that boy was killed by lightning. I'm not vibing. I am not vibing. Chase didn't care less though.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.